Hi everyone, please subscribe this WikiTech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hey everyone, this is Jason from WikiTech. Hey guys, finally the wait is over. I mean, the Realme launches a new mobile phone from the family. It's called Realme C15. Anyhow guys, let's look into the specs and talk something about this mobile phone. Whereas guys, if you're talking about the display, it comes with 6.5 inches mini water drop full screen display and also at a resolution of 720 x 1560 resolution. If you look at the screen to body ratio, it comes with 81.7% screen to body ratio, which means guys, we can expect the bezels will be very narrow in this mobile phone, and also it comes with a mini drop display, and the display type is IPS LCD. And also guys, the company did not mention, they just say that it comes with Gorilla Glass, but they did not mention what kind of glass. But usually in this price category, I assume the glass should be protected with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Whereas if you're talking about the platform of this C15, it comes with Android 10 along with the Realme UI 1.0 version, and also guys, it comes with the processor MediaTek Helio G35 processor, which was built with 12nm architecture. Whereas guys, this processor is octa-core processor and they uses the ARM Cortex A53 cores, of course, at a clock speed of 2.3 GHz, and also the GPU they uses here is PowerVR GPU. So like that, if you're talking about the RAM and storage department, this particular model Realme C15 was available in two variants, which was 3GB RAM with 64GB internal storage and also 4GB RAM along with the 64GB internal storage, and the storage type is eMMC. And also if you're talking about the connectivity, whereas guys, this mobile phone can able to support dual SIM along with the micro SD card, which means it comes with triple slot expandability, and also it can able to support the Wi-Fi. But keep in mind, the Wi-Fi can able to support single band 2.4 GHz, and also the Bluetooth version 5.0. GPS was enabled, FM was enabled, and also they added a fingerprint at the rear side, and also like the sensors was available as a toll fingerprint, and also proximity sensor was available, accelerometer sensor was available, and also they added the compass sensor in this mobile phone. Another highlight of this mobile phone is the camera, rear side camera. It comes with quad camera setup, whereas the primary sensor comes with 13 megapixel for wide, 8 megapixel for ultra wide, and 2 megapixel for black and white sensor, and again 2 megapixel for macro shot. And also guys, with the rear camera, we can able to shoot 1080 at 30 frames per second. LED flash was available, and HDR feature and panorama modes was available for the rear side camera. So like that, if you're talking about the front side camera, it comes with 8 megapixel front facing camera and its aperture is f2.0, and like that guys, we can able to shoot the video 1080 at 30 frames per second, and also HDR and panorama modes was also available for the front facing camera. So finally, if you're talking about the battery department, it comes with 6000 mAh. Oh my god, it's the very massive battery, and also they're providing here 18 watts fast charging support, so that was a good thing. But even though it comes with 18 watts also, to charge the battery from 0 to 6000, it takes a lot of time with this 18 watts, more than 3 hours easily. Whereas guys, this mobile phone was going to available in two colors, power blue and power silver, but anyhow it was going to available in this August 27th 12 PM onwards. Of course, the Realme partner was Flipkart. You can purchase, or even you can look at the Realme store also. You can purchase this mobile phone in this month 27 12 PM onwards. So finally, let's talk about the prices. The base variant was available at 9,999 rupees, which is less than 1 rupee, 10,000 rupees, and the high-end variant was available in 10,999 rupees, which is nothing but 11,000 rupees. So guys, they highlighted the battery a lot. With this 6000 mAh, you can continuously speak 46 hours of calling, and you can able to music stream up to 60 hours, and also you can able to watch 28 hours of YouTube videos. And also the company claims that with the 5% of battery left in the mobile phone also, you can able to make a call up to 2 hours easily. So my dear friends, it's my opinion. The specs was very good. We know that Realme camera optimization also very good. Besides the Chroma Boost technology also very good in the Realme. But the thing is, I feel the price was okay. But the thing what I want to tell you here is, I already do the review on the Realme C11, which comes with the MediaTek Helio G35 processor. So when I was doing the review, it was very clear the processor was not that much powerful processor, so while opening the app, switching from app to app makes really irritating. So guys, if you are thinking to purchase this mobile phone, just think about the processor MediaTek Helio G35. So even if your friends already have that Realme C11 which comes with G35 processor, then better to take the mobile phone in your hand and better to test it once. So that's it in this video guys. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have any kind of specific questions, please let me ask in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thanks a lot for spending your valuable time with me. See you very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.